Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ethical Hack, and thank you for your appreciation in our previous video how to get Office free. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your any Xiaomi device looks like an iPhone. This will a process to make your phone looks like an iPhone. All the download links are given in the description. This will won't gonna void your warranty of the phone, and even though you don't need to root your phone. Let me go ahead and show you my phone root compatibility first. So to check the bootloader, you can go to your about phone, and here you need to tap the MIUI version for 7 times. Then you can go back, go to the additional setting, and now you can find here developer options. Now if you click on MIUI lock, so you can see as my device is still locked with MIUI, it haven't been rooted yet. Now to get started, you need some files. The files are found, you will find it in the below description. I have already downloaded the files, so let me go ahead and show you. First you need to download the theme package of iOS, which is in the description. As you can see, it says pure iOS 11. Once you download this, put it in a folder where you can access it later. Now you need to download an app says MIUI theme editor. This is the app which you need to download from internet. Let me go ahead and install it on my phone. Now as you can see, it is getting downloaded now. It may take few minutes to get downloaded, so stay connected. So now you can see it's being downloaded. Now it's trying to install the app. Now one thing I would like to tell you, doing this step won't gonna void your warranty. Still you can come back to your default settings if you need. To see how you can come back, watch the video till the end. Now here, as you can see, you will find these kind of options there. So you need to click on browse. Click on browse. You need to look for the same folder where you have your that file. Okay, so you need to go there. So I'll go to my folder where I have filed my file there. Just a moment. Here it is. As you can see at the bottom, it says pure iOS 11. Check that, click on OK. Now let's start. It will first start load. You don't need to make any changes anywhere in the app, as everything is preset default. Close the advertisement if you see, and now click on next. I have already been set all the things. Now you can click on finish. Now it will go ahead and establish the same theme in your theme package. Now while doing these steps, if your phone getting slow, so you don't need to worry, you don't need to reboot your phone. It will make changes phone and the application of MIUI, so you don't need to worry. It will go ahead and do all things you need. Now when it says your theme has been saved, do you want to install it? Click on OK to install the theme. Now this process might take few minutes, maybe a couple of them. Click on OK, and it will clear all the background data and the cache which you got in your phone with this app. Now once you see the same page again, you can close the application. Now close it. It's all done. Now what you have to do is you need to simply go ahead and open your theme option from your phone. So go there, and the MIUI theme default option, MIUI themes. Now here, as you can see, this is the front page. You need to go to your account in the themes. Now here you will find at the center it says pure iOS theme. Click on that and click on apply. As it's unofficial theme, now it will be asking you that do you want to reboot your phone to apply the phone. Now the theme comes with some default phones as on iOS, so you need to reboot your phone to make the change. So you need to click on reboot. To reboot your phone, it will show you how you can access the things. Now if you drag the screen down from your 2 fingers, you will see the options as you can see on an iPhone, all kind of things, settings. To come back with the help of your 2 fingers, swipe the screen up. Now if you move your phone's icons are there, looks like an iPhone, as the Play Store says. Now App Store, if you open your Play Store, you will find the difference here. I'll come back to the default page. As you can see, it says App Store. Now come to the setting. So if you look the notification bar, it also looks like an iPhone bar. Now here we go. I click on settings, drag it down. You can see the settings. Your phone setting will look similarly like an iPhone. Click here, click on Pure iOS, and now you can see here it says Pure iOS 11. Now, so you have in your phone like weather, files, calendar, and your browser. Your Me browser will go on Safari, but it's a Me browser. Now, so it's all done. Now your phone looks like similarly to an iPhone. I had given you a downloaded link. You can have a better experience with this version of your phone. Now please like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Now in the end, I would like to show you how you can revert your things back. In case if you want to come back to your MIUI version, you can simply open your theme option again from your settings, and from there you can find the options. I click on themes, and as you can see here in your downloaded things, you can click on default and you can click on apply. Once you click on apply, we're gonna apply all the default setting as you have once you got your phone, and now you will come back to your default MIUI phone. So that's how you can make your phone look like an iPhone. All the things and all the files which you need, it's all given in the description. You can download the files from my Google Drive, which is free. Please like and subscribe our channel and share it to your loved ones.